Failing fast. That's a great tool if used properly. So here's how to use it without just blowing up your business. Fail fast is huge on the internet right now.
Failing fast. Test an idea quick. Doesn't work? Move on.
Like telling someone, go jump off a cliff. You'll learn to fly on the way down. That's cute until it's your business, your money, your team, your life savings. Here's what no one's telling you. No one's saying this. Stay tuned. Welcome to The Winning Mindset. I'm Colleen. Failing fast can be a very smart move if you're experimenting on the edges of something, not when you're making core business bets. The original idea was never about just recklessness. It was about taking small, calculated risk, adjusting, testing again, learning fast, adjusting. But somewhere along the line, entrepreneurs started interpreting it as move fast, break things, don't think, just launch. Don't burn through an entire budget on version 1 of your product. No MVP, no test market, no margin for error. That's how you fail fast and final. That does not allow for version 2. Wise leaders don't fail fast. They test cheaply and adjust. They limit the downside. They keep spare bullets in the chamber. They have a plan. Think like this. If it fails, can I recover? Is this a $500 failure or a $5 million failure? Am I treating this like a test or betting the farm? Failure should be a lesson. Failing fast is for testing manageable plans, not a way of life. So, before you launch that next big project, ask, is this a smart test for the project premise? Or is it just a reckless gamble? Failing fast is not the enemy. Failing stupid is. Be strategic. Stay agile, and if you're going to fail forward, not flat on your face. What's the story you have about your business? Drop it in the comments and subscribe to Winning Mindset for more tools. Remember, change your mindset, you will change your life. Keep winning, and I'll see you next week.